Hey guys, welcome back to Samelia's World. I'm Samelia. If it's your first time watching, I make beauty, travel, and lifestyle videos. I am a licensed esthetician. Today we are doing on this lovely one here. Gabby, say hello. And today we are doing the magnificent lash lift. Now, I do the Korean lash lift, the lash lift intense, lash lift with keratin, etc.
Samelia's World, you want to make sure that the client or your lashes are clean prior to putting the solution on so that the lash lift solution fully penetrates into the natural lash.
I do wear a mask when I do lash lifting because I don't want other people's breaths in my breath. We did have COVID, flu, all that stuff, and you're down here like this all the time. I am putting under eye pads under her eyes. You want to look up for me? You want to size them to her eyelids. Make sure that you have something underneath so that you don't get any product in her eye or on the bottom actual lashes. You want to make sure that you put the adhesive well on the actual rod. So you want to make sure the rod is as close to the lash line as possible, like this. So I'm going to use the silver tool as well as the white tool to lift the lashes. A lot of times the products come with these little, flatteners or whatever you want to call them.
Once you've placed the rod down, you put your adhesive on top of the rod, then lift, shape, and smooth the lashes.
I like to use microfiber wands right here. Some people use brushes to apply the actual perm and the other products, but it's a preference when you are doing it, which one is best for you. And you want to put it right at the edge, right by the lash line. You don't want to put it on the tips of the lash. A lot of people brush it on with a brush. I use the microfiber wands and like that because I can really penetrate the product into the lashes. Samelia's World. So she has on a perming solution, and depending on which product line you use, you will have a curling product or some type of product after the perm that's either going to neutralize, curl, etc. So sometimes, you guys, they have little baby hairs, like right here, don't want to lay down. So you can put a little piece of paper here to assist making sure that the lashes and the baby hairs stay up. I'm doing the same on both to make sure. I know a lot of you do this at home. I do not suggest. This is probably the only beauty service, and I'm going to keep it 100 here on Samelia's World. This is probably the only service that I definitely don't think you guys should try to do at home, because you can burn out your lashes or destroy them forever. Guys, so tell me if you like her lashes. Samelia's World posting Tuesdays and Thursdays, and tell your friends.